tak kenal. Kalau tak kenal, maka tak cinta.
Introduction. Quantitative data collected from fieldwork essentially remains in raw form. To utilize this data as an empirical foundation for answering research questions or testing hypotheses. A systematic process of data processing and analysis is required. Quantitative data analysis encompasses data processing, data presentation, descriptive, calculation, and hypothesis testing using operative, statistical technicals. Next, types of quantitative data analysis. 1. Data processing, transforming raw data into analysis, ready data through editing, coding, and tabulation. Number 2. Data presentation, displaying data in table or diagrams for easier comprehension. Number 3, data description, characterizing data using descriptive statistics. And hypothesis testing, evaluating the validity of tentative answer to research question. Next, data processing. Data processing refers to the preparation of data from each research variable to make it ready for analysis. The main activities in this stage include 1. Data editing, checking data completeness and consistency. Number 2. Coding and data transformation, assigning codes to responses and converting data formats to suit analytical requirements. And data tabulation, entering data into tables, organizing numerical values, and performing preliminary calculation. Next, presenting data in table format. A well-constructed table should minimally include a title, columns, rows, values for each cell, and the data source based on row and column arrangements. Tables are classified into one-way classification table, presenting the distribution of a single variable. Number 2, cross-tabulation table, displaying relationship between two or more variables. Number 3, frequency distribution table, showing how often specific value appear within the dataset. Next, presenting data in diagram format. Graphs or diagrams serve as visual representations of data derived from table. Common diagram types used in quantitative research include 1. P-chart, suitable for illustrating proportions. Number 2, bar charts, effective for comparing categories. Number 3, line graphs, appropriate for displaying time-based trends. And frequency histograms, depicting the distribution of numerical data. Next, describing data with descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics are employed to characterize data as it exists without intending to generalize findings to the broader population. Commonly applied techniques include 1. Measure of central tendency, mean, median, mode. Number 2. Measure of dispersion, ranks, variance, standard, deviation, skewness. Research apply this approach when seeking to understand sample characteristic in depth before proceeding to inference detailed analysis.
Hypothesis testing. A hypothesis is the answer or assumptions that needs to be tested through data analysis. Types of hypothesis. When comparative hypothesis uses to compare two or more groups, focus on identifying whether there are differences between groups. Two associative hypothesis used to examine relationships between variables. Focus on determining whether variables are related and how strong the relationship is. Next slide, comparative analysis based on data type. The choice of statistical techniques depends on the type of data used. One nominal data categories with order. Measure exact test, Sequire test, Cochrane Q test. Two ordinal data, ranked data with order. Techniques, Singh test, Wilcoxon test, Mann-Whitney test, Friedman test, Kruskal-Wallis test. 3. Interval or ratio data. Numerical data with measurable difference. Techniques, t-test, and ANOVA. Next slide, correlation analysis. Correlation analysis is used to measure the relationship between variables. Techniques based on data type. One nominal data, contingency coefficients. Two ordinal data, Spearman rank correlation, Kendall's law. 3. Interval or ratio data, Pearson correlations, multiple correlation, dan partial correlations. Interpretation, value close to zero, weak relationships. Next slide, characteristic of quantitative research. Key characteristic includes research elements are critically different from the beginnings, systematic and structural plannings, use of hypothesis, clearly designed research framework, data is represented through sample analysis is context after data collections. Next slide, descriptive analysis. Descriptive analysis to summarize includes and 2, 3 range and standard deviations for weakness. Descriptive analysis can be further developed into comparative and correlational. Next slide, inferential analysis. Inferential analysis is used for hypothesis testing and predictions. Main techniques when t-test compares two groups. 2. ANOVA is compares more than two groups. 3. Regression analysis is examines the effects of variables. 4. Factor analysis is reduces variable into key factors.
Regulation analyzes dependent and independent variable, determining the relationship variable. Dependent primary variable A-G satisfaction. Independent influencing factor concept price. Data is analyzed to identify significant relationships. Discriminant and comparative analysis method. Discriminant grouping data based on differences. Comparative comparing to see similarities and differences. Path analysis concept and implementation step. Used to analyze direct and indirect causal relationships. Collects data including value and information between variables. Determine the model. Estimate using same model balance to goodness of it. Interpretation of path analysis result. Explain in the relationship between variables. Causality, a significant relationship in the model. Direct, indirect effect, distinguish in between direct and mediated effect. Mediation and moderation. Mediation occurs when two variables are mediated by three variables, and the moderation changes this depending on the value of the three variables. Structural equation modeling, understanding, and uses. Some analyze the relationship between latent variable and indicator simultaneously. It is used to test theoretical model rather than create new theory, and offer the advantage of analysis in conflict relationships. Some analyze assumption and process. The data is normal. The sample size is sufficient. There is no multicollinearity. The skill interval. Theoretical model, diagram, equation, estimation, evaluation, interpretation, report.